In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit Add menu icon and then select Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Account Center. Open it up. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find Sharing across profiles. Just tap on it. That's where you can stop sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook. All you have to do is just select your Instagram account. As you can see, stories, posts and reels are being shared from my Instagram account to my Facebook account, and that's where you can customize which content you would like to share from Instagram over to Facebook just by turning on or off that switchers. If you want to stop sharing posts and reels and you want to share stories, you can set it up in that way. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.